What's good, YouTube, man? It is your boy Hollywood Troy, man, back with yet another video, you guys. And today we are going to be showing the recently released Airmax 1 blueprint. Let's get it. YouTube, I do have in my hand the recently released Airmax 1 premium blueprint that was released on Airmax Day. You can't even beat that, you guys. And I was luckily enough to finally hit on another UNC colorway. I guess I could throw that in, that UNC colorway inspired by this one, because that's what pretty much kind of reminds me of. But this is the Airmax 1 blueprint. This is another late shoe video for me, as always. I mean, that ain't nothing. It's starting to become a trend or a thing now, I guess, huh? So anyway, the shoe is pretty dope in hand, and I'm pretty just glad that I actually got the shoe. You know, I don't really hit on certain shoes. I guess maybe the shoes I do hit on just the ones that don't be that hype, but I think these are pretty hype. I mean, they look pretty dope to me. I'm pretty sure a lot of people went after them and sold out. So I think these are one of those hype shoes, like I said, I finally got. And I really appreciate it. These shoes is actually pretty decent. I like them. They look nice. We do get a second pair of shoelaces, which is a white shoelaces. I think I'm just gonna keep mine with the powder blue theme. It just makes the shoe pop a little bit more. So that's what I think. It just looks a lot more better with the powder blue. I might throw the white ones in to show you guys what it looks like. Probably doing the on foot or anything like that. Just show you guys what it looks like and see if I might change my mind. I might even like the white one. So the shoe does highlight the worldwide appeal and global impact. It features a white mesh. This is a white mesh, you guys. Upper white, light blue Durabug. That is Durabug material. I thought it was suede, but suede and Durabug does seem and sort of like it's similar. And we got touches of that tumbled leather on the overlays as well. Each swoosh features a grid pattern nodding to the composition of blueprints, you guys. So that's why I get that name, that blueprint name from grid, like right there on the blueprint. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, there we go, right there. It focused. So you guys see that, like the grid pattern right there. You can definitely see it on this side. So it's only like about 100 above. It's ranging between like 100 above, and then I think I seen something that says it can range between 250 to 600. I think that was either the sell value or the trade-in value, but I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading these ones in. Like I like the shoes, so I even like the bottom and everything, like the whole outsole. It just looks great, man. Like the whole, even like I don't know if you guys seen the mids on everything. It just has like a cream looking color to it, air bubble, everything. This is my first Air Max 1, you guys. So I think these right here is gonna be setting the lineup for it being just my first Air Max 1 period. I think this right here is just a well-deserved lineup shoe, so that it could just stay in my lineup. I mean, will I wear it? Definitely. I think I might have to throw these on, so sometime soon, maybe. Or if I don't, it's definitely just gonna be in the collection, man. Looking pretty, looking nice, as it already does. My overall opinion of the shoe, I think it is a great shoe. Shout out to you. Now, if you didn't get the shoe, like I said, the resale value on this shoe isn't that high, you guys. So I'm pretty sure you can still get the shoe just for like about $100 more than what it was retailing for. The retail price was like $160, so you probably get it for like $250, $260, or I don't know. It depends. It ranges on size. I didn't check all sizes. I only checked sizes 8, 8.5, and I think a 9. So there's ranging between $250 and $260, you guys. But if you do want to get the shoe, then by all means, man, go ahead and try to get the shoe. It is a nice shoe. I think it's a well-deserved cop. YouTube, man, that is about to be it, man. I'm about to be up out of here, man. Shout out to Liz hooking your boy up, man, with one of them Black 5 hats, man. I don't know you guys see it already. You know, Black History Month up in there, man, and that thing, man. But it's your boy Hollywood Troy. I'm about to be up out of here, man. So you did enjoy watching this video. Go and check out all my other videos, and as you are doing that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. And always hit that like as well, and even all the videos you go back to watching, man, so you can get caught up on all my past videos, man, and get back up here to the present where we at right now, you guys. So we are moving forward, and so we're gonna move forward, you guys. This is your boy Hollywood Troy. I have nothing else to say, man. Hit the social media, comment. I'm out. You guys be safe out there.